Isaiah 57, the Lord God will help me. Lesson 1, believe. Paul in Damascus.
Romans 5:8. God commanded His love toward us in that while we were yet sinners, Christ died for us.
Lesson 2, obey Paul in Philippi.
Mark 16:15. Go into all the world and preach the gospel. Lesson 3. Rejoice for in season. Philippians 4:4. Lesson 4. Tell the good news for on trial. Hebrews 13:6. The Lord is my helper, and I will not fear. What man shall do unto me? Lesson 5. Trust God. Paul in stormy seas. Psalm 56:3.